Turning the 6mm foam board into a Witch of Angmar sword. Laying out my pattern, I traced it 2 times on the 6mm foam board and cut it out. I then wanted to create a channel down the center of each sword halves. So I got my Dremel and I carved out the middle. This channel is used to place something strong in the middle of the sword so it's not flexible. I used a wire, but I recommend using something stronger like a fiberglass rod. Once my contact cement was fully dried, I used a 60 grit sandpaper and my palm sander to begin shaping the sword. And then I did my finishing touches and details with my Dremel. I used a little bit of super glue on the tip of the sword to strengthen the foam so it won't bend. Lastly, I used my wood burning tool to add more detail to the sword. Before painting, I'm ready to coat the whole thing in Plasti dip. For my paint job, I'm using a medium body black, a raw sienna, and an iridescent rich silver. Once I was happy with my paint job, I wrapped the handle on an electric tape and then I was done with the Witch of Angmar sword. This is the second piece I've finished for my Lord of the Rings inspired Halloween, and I can't wait to show you the next one. See you next time!